In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Replit not working or loading. I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, click on the three dots of your browser and you will need to navigate to your settings. From here, we want to select privacy and security from the left-hand side and then go into site settings. Now scroll down until you see the option for JavaScript. Click on it and make sure sites can use JavaScript is enabled. Once you have done this, we can proceed to the second method, which will be clicking on privacy and security again, and this time selecting delete browsing data. Now make sure cached images and files is selected for all time, and then click on delete from this device. Once you have deleted the cached images and files, then if it's still not working, the last thing that I suggest doing is going to be using another browser. You can use Google Chrome if you're not using it already. You can use Firefox or Opera. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.